Dr. David Farley sexual abuse lawsuit. Did you know that medical professionals account for nearly 10% of all reported sexual abuse cases? Dr. David Farley, a former physician from West Linn, Oregon, is accused of sexually abusing over 170 patients, including women and children, during routine medical exams. These allegations span 20 years, with complaints of inappropriate pelvic exams and genital photography. Shockingly, over 90% of healthcare-related sexual abuse cases involve physicians who were previously reported but not removed from practice, as in the case of Dr. Farley. Despite overwhelming evidence, Dr. Farley was not indicted, leaving many victims frustrated and disillusioned. More than $970 million in damages is being sought in civil lawsuits targeting both Dr. Farley and the institutions that failed to act on early warnings. In cases like this, 40% of victims never come forward due to fear of not being believed, and many institutions fail to take early action, putting more patients at risk. The Oregon Medical Board revoked Dr. Farley's medical license after receiving complaints from patients, highlighting the system's failure to protect victims earlier. Dr. Farley's case is now one of the largest medical sexual abuse cases in Oregon, with over 120 plaintiffs filing claims. These lawsuits seek justice for survivors who have endured trauma at the hands of a trusted medical professional. Studies show that sexual abuse survivors are 3 to 4 times more likely to suffer from PTSD, depression, and other long-term mental health issues. At Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers, we understand the importance of holding both the perpetrator and complicit institutions accountable. Our team specializes in sexual abuse cases and is here to support survivors through this challenging legal process. Victims who file civil lawsuits often see compensation that can range from tens of thousands to millions of dollars, depending on the extent of abuse and negligence involved. Survivors of Dr. Farley's abuse are encouraged to come forward, as time limits for filing claims could affect their ability to seek justice. At Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers, we offer free, confidential consultations to help you understand your rights and the legal avenues available. Compensation can cover medical bills, therapy, and other recovery costs. Don't hesitate to take action. Over 50% of survivors wait years to come forward, delaying their path to justice. Contact Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers today to start the process of holding abusers accountable and getting the closure and justice you deserve.